bet you've never seen an overview of an iPad Pro of a person with a cowboy hat and old man slippers. So this is just an overview, unboxing what you get for the iPad Pro. This isn't so much like an in-depth review. Like, I'm not going to break down the nitty-gritty, the specs, and all that fun stuff. But I will break down the purpose of an iPad Pro a little bit. I have gotten this Friday. Currently, it's Tuesday. So I'll be making this video Tuesday. Editing the video tomorrow on this. So all what you're going to watch now is all done on this. And that's kind of like the main purpose of this iPad. Plus I got a trip to Florida. So I wanted something more compact than a MacBook Pro. Wow, this is so thin. Holy, look how thin this is. If you can see that. So, if you already have an iPad Pro, this is the one with the M4 chip. Necessarily speaking, you don't need to upgrade. Really, you don't. The MacBook Pro, whoa. The iPad Pro, the original one, the M2 I believe it is so powerful that this is really, I feel like the upgrade from this is just really for the pen, because with the pen, when I unbox it, yeah, I got the whole set. I really wasn't, but since I need the keyboard and I need the pen to pinpoint when I'm going to cut and snip the edits, this thing's probably dead. It turned on. Look at that. Let me tell you, this compared to the MacBook, I keep saying MacBook. This compared to the iPad mini, so different. Look at that. Beautiful. I'll have like a little pop-up right there of the thing already booted up and set up and everything as I unbox everything. So this is going to go to the floor for now. I don't have a screen protector. The only case I have is going to be here. I'll clear all this up. So this, no, just ignore all this stuff. Ignore it. Oh my goodness, good way to throw it at the camera. We'll unbox the pen because the pen's probably just the most meh part. Although some people might be excited for a pen. I don't know. To each their own, right? One thing I've always loved about Apple, I always give it to them. Why I love Apple so much is their packaging. I love their packaging. Apple products will always have me sold. Look at that. Slips. That's it. It feels no different than the original Apple Pen and all their pencil lineups. Other than the packaging looks phenomenal. And yeah, it's an Apple Pen. Nothing too special. Again, the screen right here, that monitor will have the pop-up of the squeeze feature and all the little fun stuff. But yeah, also, for anyone that didn't know, yes, you can do video editing on an iPad. You can do a lot on an iPad. The idea is to replace, that's my coffee. The idea is to replace this. If they could just, and so I think, Average Dad, I forget his YouTube channel name, but he mentioned it. I've always loved the MacBook Pro interface stuff. If they could just make just this, into a form of an iPad, oh my goodness, I would not have this, I would not have the iPad. And I'll just use that all the time because the MacBook Pro interface is just really, really good. Not that the iPad interface isn't bad. It's actually really good. Now this, compared to the original one, so much more heavier. So supposedly this is their new... Wow. Okay, fine. This is their new keyboard setup. Paperwork's unnecessary. Paperwork. Here you go. Whoa, my hat. Look at that. It's That's nice. I like. We gotta put this. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I didn't even share what comes in the box. Hold up. Give me a sec. We're just gonna put this on here because this doesn't have a case. And we're gonna move this over here. We're gonna put the whole setup like this. There we go. Voila. The iPad. Let me get the mini. Hold up. Wait there. Stay there. Stay there. Let me get the mini. Here's the mini. The mini's still really good. It's great for small traveling, reading, like an Amazon Fire tablet, whatever they call those. But here you go. You can see the difference on screen size. Already better. This also has a higher refresh rate and better, what's it called? I forget the name of it. But it looks a lot more polished with darker colors and stuff. This is just a 60 Hz, and trust me, you notice it. What you get in the box here. This is the iPad box. Let me show you. Look, thank goodness they give us one of these. And this. Oh my God, so beautiful. Look at the writing. Oh my God. Now, I know Apple's signature colors are always white, but hear me out. Hear me out. Imagine this black and this black. I know I could buy one of, like, you know, a third party, but I'm just saying. Just imagine being presented this setup matching. What did the keyboard come with anything? Okay, keyboards did not come with anything. But the new thing about the keyboard is right here, this little port right here. So if you have to connect your external hard drives and stuff, and you do need this to be charging, it's not going to block away from your charging port right here. And you continue doing what you need. This also has Face ID. And I fold it up. Honestly, I didn't realize this till now. They have the same steel. If you look, just like the iPad. I'm also making sure I'm not rambling too long because I don't want this video to be super long because this is my first video and I'll try to make it short and sweet for you guys. If requested, I'll do an in-depth review breaking down the differences between the iPad Pro and the iPad Pro of the M4 because I used to have the iPad Pro with the M2. And I gave it to my sister because she needed it because she's going to school. Bought me a new one. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, look at that. Even this is metal. Wow. Look at that. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up. But yeah. That's pretty much it, really. I just kind of want to do an overview and an unboxing. If you guys want a more in-depth review, what you can do, the whole breakdown, screen differences. Although I won't have the iPad Pro OG one. We can do a screen difference with this, even though this is nowhere near as close as the iPad Pro. But, if you were thinking of a mini, the mini's nice too. Like, I ain't gonna lie. The compact form and just lightweight and being able to throw this in your bag whenever you need to is nice. I gotta get a proper bag. Probably gonna get a messenger bag so I carry all my cables and stuff. But yeah, now I gotta clean up the mess that I have everywhere. Which isn't too bad, just all that fun stuff. Other than that, if you guys want to see more tech overviews, tech reviews, whatever, I want to also introduce more bag reviews because I love carry-on bags. I love all that fun stuff. Eventually, my PC is going to be rebuilt, so I'm going to have a video. I'm going to throw this out right now. I am by no means no pro at building a PC. So when I do this video, please don't. I'll give small tips that I know, but don't trust me that I'm like a professional IT tech guy, because I'm really not. I'm just your average Joe who learned on his own to build a PC. And my PC is past due. My motherboard's like 4 years old, and it's kicking cans. Other than that, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this channel. more to come, more random stuff. I kind of want to make it like a hub for all my hobbies where I could just throw in here and do what I do best and what I love and what I'm passionate about, tech and a whole bunch of random stuff that I'm into. Other than that, that's it. And yeah, I'm not gonna say the whole rate, comment, subscribe stuff because I think it's cheesy. So yeah, now the dogs are barking, so I'm trying to talk over them. See you guys in the next video.